anyone trying this along with anyone? So first we find the returns. I'm going to call the returns from AMCODE as DLS because DLS is the name that is used in one of your tutorial lectures. Right? So let's use the same one, DLS. So I'll go to command series. That means I'm going to create a series. The series name is DLS, which is equal to D log create a new series named DLS, which is D log of AMCODE, which is a continuous return. Okay. And create another series DLN, which is the market one, which is D log SX. So two variables are created. Those are the continuous returns. Any questions at this stage? Now to find the beta, we have to find a regression equation of DLS on DLN. So first of all, you will check the returns, the variables are created here, DLM and DLS. Okay. Now the regression, to create the regression you can use LS, least squares, space, the dependent variable is DLS, space, the constant, beta 0 hat. For beta 0 hat, you write enter C, space, there is only one independent variable, which is DLN, the market return. So DLN. So this will give us the regression output. Okay, enter. So what is your beta? Beta is systematic risk beta 0.238005. Okay, that is the beta using market model. What is the market model? The market model is DLS hat is equal to 0.001978 plus 0.238005 times DLN. DLN is that RMT that we had in the previous explanation. Any questions on how to write the market model and how to find the systematic risk beta? Any questions? Okay, what I have explained is this one. Okay, this is what I have explained. The market model and the beta. Next we will see the Scholes-Williamson beta, for which you need to have 3 betas calculated. Already we have calculated 1 beta, right? So the beta that we have calculated, so this beta is calculated as, does anyone remember the value? 0.2323? 85. Okay, so we have beta 1 hat calculated. Now we have to have the lagged market model. So let's despite that. 8005, right? Correct. So I'll close this one. Now we should have the market model DLS versus DLM one period behind. For one period behind, you don't have to create a series. Okay, there is a method to get it directly. In this regression model, I am going to write after DLN within bracket -1. DLM within bracket -1 is RM T minus 1. One period before. Okay? Enter. So the DLM within bracket -1 is one time period lag. So it's -1. The value is -0.0114. 01. So this is your beta I -1 hat. So this is, first of all, I correct this. It is 238,005. And now we have calculated beta I -1, which is -0.01141. So now we have to find beta I plus 1, which is lead market model. For lead market model, so first I will close this. So the same equation, can you guess what we have to do here? 1, right? Plus 1 is not needed, just 1 is enough. Okay? Okay. Now we have got the coefficient of DLM1, 0.016992 is your beta I plus 1 hat. So beta I plus 1 hat, beta I plus 1 hat value is 0.01692. Oh, I should have found it there. And finally, we have to find the correlation. To find the correlation, actually there is no syntax to find the correlation. Okay, there is no syntax. That means we have to create a series and then find the correlation. So the correlation is between the current period and the lag time period. I'll just try whether this is going to work. I'm not sure. COR, okay, COR of DLM -1. I'm not sure whether it's going to work. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so if you find anything like a syntax for finding correlation, then so we are going to create a series then. Okay, let's create a series. So to create a series, what do we do? I'll delete all these things. To create a series, the name that I'm going to give for that one is lag, right? DLM lag. DLM. And what is DLM lag? It is nothing but DLM -1. So I have defined a new variable DLN lag, which is nothing but DLN negative 1. Okay, clear? I'm creating a series and then I'm finding the correlation between DLN and DLN lag. That's what we want, the correlation between the current market return and the lagged market return. Okay, so let's see where we have the, I'll delete this. So I'm going to select DLN and DLN lag, and let's open that. Okay, this is what you see. So what is DLN lag? It is just the same value, but it is pushed to the next time period. It's the same thing pushed to the next time period. And we are finding the correlation between these two. So the correlation between these two, covariance analysis, I'll select correlation. So the correlation is negative 0.125656. That is your rho hat Rn T, Rn T minus 1. Okay, any questions on this so far? We are finding the correlation because the formula has Scholes-Williams beta formula has okay. So rho, the rho value we have found is negative 0.125656. Now with these values we can find Scholes-Williams beta. Okay, so can you substitute all and see whether you get this answer? 536. Substitute all these four values, this will be your beta SW. Questions? Okay, the next one. You want to ask anything? You're going to do the same thing for your second assignment. Let's start your work now. The time is 10 of September, right? 10 September. Okay, the next one, Simpson's beta. We have to create one regression model with lagged market return, current market return, and lead market return. So let's do that. LS space DLS space C space DLN negative 1 space DLN space DLN 1. So this is the multiple regression model with 3 variables. Okay, so these are the 3 betas that we have. The 3 slope coefficient, you're going to add these 3, that's it. For Simpson's beta, you're going to add these 3 betas.